Greetings, welcome to Maccabees Medical Monday. If you want to be healthy, this is the starter. Drink more water. We are walking water, almost 3/4. Drink more water. Water, without a doubt, is the most important thing you can put in your mouth. Essential, used by your body throughout, and you must replace it when it come out. It come out through the sweat, also the urine, also the breath. If you're dehydrated, your body's upset. Water replenish and nourish, protect, transports nutrients, helps with the energy, flushes waste from out of your kidney. Headache remedy, drink water plenty, make your tank full, not empty. So you say make you pee, so go and have a pee. Everybody have a pee, don't hurt nobody, no fat, no sugar, no calorie. Pay your body water, give it a good salary. Hydrate, lose weight, feel great, lubricate. No constipate, temperature regulate. How many glasses a day? About 8. And if you reach 6 at first, that's great. Filter spring, alkaline, do your thing. Clean water without other things in. Fill your glass to the brim. More water, drink up your medicine.